Oh wait, this one is not me. Hi guys. I'm at the airport. I'll place you guys right here. I'm at the airport right now and I'm gonna start the video off here because I think it'd be a really fun video if I take you guys along with me to Miami. I'm going on a little trip with my girls and talk about all of the advices that I can give you guys so you guys can get pretty while you guys are sleeping. There's gonna be some really good advices here and there.
I look so bad right now.
I'm gonna give you guys a lot of good advices, so definitely stay tuned. Hi guys, I just finished getting ready to go out. I'm wearing this outfit for my friend. I normally don't wear this type of outfit, but we're trying something new tonight. But I actually want to emphasize the type of pillow that you use when you are going to sleep. Ever since I've been using this particular pillow, it's from the brand Sleep and Glow, and I cannot tell you enough how much of a difference I see when I wake up in the morning because my face puffiness isn't as bad, and I've also realized that my jaw tension is not as tensed as before. This is how the pillow looks like. It has this orthopedic shape with a 3D format with elevated sides on the ends, and it has a slight curve in the middle with these holes. So this is where you would place your face when you kind of roll out. And the best thing about these pillows is that with regular pillows, when you are sleeping on your regular pillow, it's normally very flat, so it creates a lot of added tension and a lot of like everyday tension when you're going to sleep, and it creates these like eye wrinkles and face puffiness, which is not what we want. So this pillow helps to prevent that. I've been loving this product. I've been using it every single day. I literally brought it to Miami because I cannot live without this pillow. Also, mind you, Sleep and Glow is the only brand that is out there that has clinically proven results, and they have been testing the results on their patients. Let me check the exact percentage, but I think it was, yeah, 87% of patients have noticed a decrease of wrinkles when they were using this pillow, which is pretty fantastic if you think about it. So you don't need to think about Botox when you have this. And even if you get Botox, guys, you guys have to take care of your face wrinkles because that is not permanent. So you want to really create these habits to not create wrinkles in the first place. This pillow is designed by orthopedists, so it's structured in a way where your neck and your trapezius muscles and your face really lands in the correct position when you're going to sleep. So if you also have like neck pain, or if you've noticed that your trapezius muscles hurt a lot lately, it's most likely because of the structure and the shape of your pillow. And I'm happy to let you guys know that Sleep and Glow is actually having a sale, which is very rare. They're having a huge Women's Day sale. So I know how important Women's Day is for you guys because you want to cherish the woman that is around you and really make them feel special and make them feel appreciated. And I think like if one of my friends or when I have a daughter and they get me this pillow, I'd be pretty satisfied. I would think that's a very thoughtful gift. So if you want to check that out, you can check the link in my description box and the discount code for 15% off. You can only get that through my link and my discount code, so definitely check it out because it's very exclusive, and Sleep and Glow, they never do sales like this, so I'm pretty shocked that they have done it for us and for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys when we're back. I don't know what time that'll be. But another thing that I do every single night before I go to sleep is I take this packet that has a bunch of vitamin C, vitamin B, zinc, and a bunch of other minerals that helps with my water retention. When I don't have that, I just drink like a glass of milk. A glass of plant-based milk like oat milk is also fine too, because calcium helps with water retention. So it's always great to like drink that before going to sleep, so you wake up in the morning looking pretty. And speaking of water retention, I always make sure to not drink too much water before I go to sleep, because that actually disturbs your body from going into deep sleep. And deep sleep is incredibly important for your cells to fully rejuvenate and cure themselves naturally. And so I always like to drink less water. I drink until like 9 p.m. and after that I kind of just try not to drink water. If I do, I'll drink a little bit. Definitely use the bathroom before going to sleep. Now walking around the beach area, and I have dinner reservations at 6 p.m. So we're heading there now. It's like a 5-minute walk. The most important tip that I have to start off the advices is that you have to sleep in the golden hour, which is between 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Even if you wake up after that, or you sleep even just within those hours, it helps your skin and your body to rejuvenate truly within that golden time. So if you are feeling like lately your face card is just not pulling itself, or you're like gaining weight or something like that, definitely check if you are sleeping within the golden time, the 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Heading to dinner. You're gorgeous. We just finished eating lunch. This is their bathroom. It's literally so gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys around. Like, how is that even possible? It's so pretty. I just like took some photos in this dress that Pepper Mayo has sent me. But I actually forgot to tell you guys one of the most important things that I consider before going to bed is skincare. Guys, whatever you put on before you go to bed, that is when you see the most maximum effect and the most maximum results of whatever you put on your skin. So before you go to sleep, that's when you want to put in all of your heavy creams, all of your moisturizers, your serums, your hyaluronic acid, your vitamin C's. That is what you want to put before you go to bed.
Just like a slight little appetizer. This place is so beautiful and the hospitality is just amazing. We're taking photos here. We're walking now on the streets to digest our food a little bit before we head back to the Airbnb. We are currently waiting to go to the airport because sadly our trip has come to an end. Miami was such a great trip. Earlier in the day, my friend and I were talking about the importance of using mouth guards and not grinding your teeth when you're going to sleep. So, because every single time when your facial tension is like clenched and it's like tense while you're going to bed, which is most oftentimes for a lot of people don't recognize that they clench their jaws, which I didn't know until I started using mouth guards. I just use the disposable ones from Amazon. But those really help to alleviate a lot of that tension when you wake up in the morning. And ever since I've been using the mouth guards, I noticed my face looking so much more prettier in the mornings than before. Another thing that I always do before I go to sleep is to disinfect my face using my disinfecting spray. I don't really know exactly what it's called or the name of it, so I will like leave it somewhere on the screen here. But by putting that on, it helps to get rid of any bacteria that grows while you're going to sleep. And I'm telling you guys, when you're going to sleep, of course the rejuvenation happens the most at that time, but that time is also the hours where you get the most bacteria growth and like a lot of like germs spreading around your face while you're like sleeping. So a lot of like dust and germs that's like collected on your face, if that is not disinfected, it's all gonna turn into like pimples and like breakouts and like, you know, hyperpigmentation. And in the mornings, make sure to get rid of all of that gunk and really clean your face as soon as you wake up with cleansing foam, because a lot of people, for some reason, people don't like to use cleansing foam in the mornings, which is like, that's so shocking to me, because you know that while you're going to sleep, all of those germs and dust, it's all collected on your face, and if you only wash it with water, it's not going to effectively get rid of it. With my skin type, I know like I have pretty oily skin on the outside and it's very sensitive but very dry on the inside, and if I don't do like really proper cleansing in the mornings, I break out like crazy. This is like the place that I'm waiting right now. It's by our hotel.
that is like all our stuff. We brought so much stuff. I don't know how we're gonna carry all that to the airplane. But this is how it looks like. Just waiting by the back. And hopefully get to Toronto safely.